Zoysia grass is the luxury upgrade for your lawn. Everyone wants that perfectly manicured golf course look, but most people think it requires a full-time groundskeeper. At Houston Grass, we offer 3 Zoysia varieties developed right here in Texas that give you that high-end aesthetic without the high-maintenance headache. Whether you're looking for the workhorse of the family or a luxury Cadillac turf, Zoysia is the perfect upgrade for homeowners who want something a little nicer than standard St. Augustine. Palisades Zoysia is the backyard workhorse. If you feel forced to choose between the toughness of Bermuda and the shade tolerance of St. Augustine, Palisades Zoysia is your winner. It's the sports turf for your backyard because it handles heavy traffic from kids, pets, and parties better than almost any other grass. It's a medium-textured grass that is incredibly easy to maintain. If you've ever taken care of St. Augustine, you can take care of Palisades. It's soft, dense, and looks like a uniform carpet under your feet. Emerald Zoysia is the Cadillac of turf. For the homeowner who wants the absolute best texture, we recommend Emerald Zoysia. Known for its narrow, needle-like leaf blades and deep, rich green color, Emerald creates a thick, carpet-like density that feels like a soft rug. Its growth habit is so dense that it makes it physically difficult for weed seeds to even penetrate the turf. It's the ultimate showpiece for a luxurious Houston landscape. Cavalier Zoysia is the elite shade solution. If you have mature oaks in areas like Sugarland or the Heights and you're tired of patching dead spots every year, Cavalier Zoysia could be your answer. Developed by Texas A&M, this fine-bladed hybrid thrives on a mere 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight per day. One of its best selling points is a slow growth habit. You can often get away with mowing every 10 to 14 days. It's a game changer for shadier residential lawns. Zoysia Resilience and Care. All our Zoysias feature deep root systems that help them handle 100-degree Houston summers with no problem. They also share great cold hardiness, staying resilient during our recent Texas freezes. While these grasses can be mowed with a traditional sharp-bladed mower, using a reel mower at lower heights is what truly unlocks that elite golf course look. Just like our other grasses, they need about an inch of water per week and 3 balanced fertilizer applications a year. Houston Grass offers unbeaten quality. Because our Zoysia is grown on our family farm in Bay City and delivered fresh within 24 hours of harvesting, the quality is second to none in the Houston area. We deliver across most of Houston and Harris, Fort Bend, Brazoria, and Galveston counties, and we offer professional installation services. Give us a call at 281-431-7441 or visit HoustonTurfGrass.com for a quote. Let's get you the best-looking lawn in the neighborhood.